Welcome back, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. MasterTemple here. We've got the black book out, St George's Cross and Yorkshire. So we're filling this book up full of commemorative coins we're finding as change. Till raiding, it's commonly called. It's becoming affectionately called till raiding. I don't know how it came about, that name, but it did. And what we do is we go to a shop, we buy something, and we pay with a banknote. And we ask the shopkeeper to look through their till and any unusual coins, 50p wise, £2 coins, 10p sometimes, whatever they've got, they'll give us as part of the change. Some shopkeepers will say, yeah, no problem, they'll even put some to one side for me, because I've been doing it for a while now. And other shopkeepers will just say, get on your bike, I'm keeping these myself. Right, so let's have a look at what we need. So in this book, we've got £2 and 50p's, so they're all together. So we find enough to make a video, but we don't find enough to make a video of each, denomination, if that makes sense. So all we need in here is Commonwealth Games England. We've found the big one, the Northern Ireland. We've got Wales and Scotland as well. We just need England, and in fact, that is all we need. We've got them all, right up until Great Fire of London. In fact, we've got a couple of territories. They live down here in the oddball section. The NAFCs will go down here, the flag areas and things like that. Never found one in the wild, so probably won't. In fact, I've only ever found 2 navies since starting this book. And then we've got a foreign coin there. Still don't know what it is. People do tell me, but then I do quite quickly forget these things. Okay, so the 50p wise, we need a Kew Gardens, but who doesn't need a Kew Gardens? And if you've got one, you'll always want another one. Then we need boxing and equestrian. We need football, Olympic, handball and judo. Now football is the only coin that eludes me. I've never ever found an Olympic football. Found every other coin out there, including Q. Triathlon, found that a few times in the past, but not since making a video. Duck, we've got a duck, nice duck there. Found that several times. Isaac Newton, we found I think about five of them since starting this book. We've got Flopsy Bunny there. Team Flopsy, I was Team Flopsy. And then I sort of like I went mental, didn't I? And I went on to Cathedral. I'll never do that again. Alright, so at the back here we've got a little page for us oddballs from the 50p section. So we've got an L A to Z there, that my son found in his change, and my nephew found that 2p there. I don't know if you can pick it up quite. It's on one of the past videos. It's an Albert Tower. He found that in his change and traded it for a bunk Gruffalo, bless him. And then up there we have got a 2019 Girl Guiding, which was found late last year. And then at the back, right down at the very bottom, we've got a little tally chart. This is my version of a tracker. Diversity Built Britons, we've got 32. And Commonwealth Games £2 coins, we've got 5 so far. 5, which is good going, but no England. Right, so enough of that waffling on. Let's zoom in a little bit. Bounce the camera all over the place. We've got 50p's. And we've got £2 coins. Right, we'll start off with the £2 coins. Okay, so we've had cracking luck with 2 quid coins lately as well. Not so much on the 50p side, but that's the way it goes. Sometimes you can't get, you can't get out. Sometimes even so you can only do what you can only do, and only get what you only get. Okay, so this £2 coin, it says there, it is a Lord Kitchener. Pretty grim looking one as well at that. Nice coin. mediocre mintage, I'd say, but we don't need that one. And then we've got another one there. No date on that side. It's a gunpowder plot. Beautiful stuff, but not needed for the album. And then on this one, what is this one going to be? Here we go. We've got St. Paul's Cathedral there. The anniversary of victory in Europe. The most highest minted commemorative £2 in Great Britain. And we've got a 2001 wireless transmissions. Now that would be a cracking design. It is a cracking design, but the mintage pushes it up, and I think it's one of those coins that gets kind of overlooked. There's a few coins like that, isn't there, that get slightly overlooked. Brilliant design, but they get overlooked because of the mintage. And then this one, this is the last £2 of this little hunt, 2011, and it's an absolute belter. It's a Mary Rose. I don't see many of these. In fact, this is the second one I've found since starting the book. I have found a fair few in the distant past, but yeah, really pleased to get this one again in my change. What a cracker! What an absolute belter of a coin. Little bit of scuff on it there, but we can overlook that, can't we? We can overlook that one. Now 50p wise, a little bit healthier. Got a few more, not much more, but just a few. Now we know that's going to be something, don't we? It's the tormenting coin. It's the coin that's going to torment you. You slowly flip your dream over and realise it's a 50p shaped poke in the eye. That could be a lyric to a song. Those who know, they know. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, right, you don't need to ask me. Okay, so 2019. Alright, so again, that's Paddington at St. Paul's Cathedral. And then we've got a 2018, getting back in middle. Here we go, 2018. We've got Paddington train spotting look, or waiting for his ride home. Or ride to work, I don't know where he's going. 2018. Beautiful design, that one, beautiful design. Okay, another 2018. The Representation of People Act. So again, this is a very nice coin, and I remember when I started taking coin collecting quite seriously, this was just about to be released, or just been released, or something along those lines, back in 2018, and it was, I kept a silly amount of them, but they're everywhere, aren't they? Really high minted. But I've always got fond, memories of that 2018 one. And likewise for the Paddingtons and the Potters from that year. Okay, not that fond. Alright, so speaking of 2018s, so what's this one going to be? In fact, let's have a look at that one behind as well. So we've got two there. We've got a belter. We know we've definitely got a belter. It's 2011 and we've got a 2018. Let's flip them both over. Okay, so we've got a rabbit. We've got a Peter Rabbit showing on some radishes. I still say the carrots. And then we've got equestrian, Olympic horse jumping. That's absolutely cracking, isn't it? Did we need horse jumping for the book? I think we did. I'll have a check in a moment. But look at that. Two belters there. And then we've got that one there as well. Before I put the horse jumping in the book, let me know, guys, which one would you pick out of this lot as your favourite? It's a very difficult one. It's a very difficult one, especially with the mintage figure being so low for Peter Rabbit. But yeah, just let me know. Let me know. Let me turn those over. Just like that. And let's see if we need this one in the book. I think we do, if memory serves me right. Come back. Yes, we do. So join me in a minute and I'll have this Olympic equestrian. Why don't I just say horse jumping? popped into the album. So there we have it, folks. Look, it looks a little bit healthier, that page. We just need boxing. Just need boxing. I've said it a few times before. I found boxing about 2 weeks before I started making these videos. Right, so no for the £2, but we'll definitely keep that one and that one. Let me know your star of the show, folks. And until next time, do take care of this end. Stay safe, and as always, happy days.